We create a worksheet in a Word document, and then we have to save it in a PDF file. How to convert it in a PDF file, I'll show you that again. This was the second worksheet I created, and let me save it. Click on the file over here on the top. Then there is an option Save As. Select a folder on the desktop. I have already made this DLT live worksheet, and I'm going to click here. In the Save As type, I'm going to select PDF, and then I'm going to click on Save. That's it. My worksheet is saved over there. You can see the PDF files I've saved already. I hope you can see my screen, all of you. Is it
Yes.
visible? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, now how to create an account in the live worksheets and how to assign, how to search or create your own file over there. For that purpose, I'm going to tell you. Okay, first of all, what you are supposed to do is obviously you have to log into the website liveworksheets.com. Let me have a new share. Here you go. Can you see the page?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I've opened this web page liveworksheet.com, and then you have to click here on the teacher's access. Click on register. I have already registered, but since you people are new and you want to continue with your own obviously account, then you have to add your own information, username, obviously your Gmail account or any other account that you want to use, repeat password, email, etc., etc. But I'm not going to do it again. Only this required information you need to fill it up and then click on I have read and accept the terms of use and click on the register button. Okay, I'm going to get back to the previous page. I'm sorry if it is taking too long.
No.
Okay, so since I'm already registered here, I'm going to enter with my own account. Okay, here it is. Okay, now you can see on this homepage, there are numerous worksheets. If suppose I need to assign an Arabic worksheet, I'm going to type Arabic topic or whatever it is, colors or animals. So you can see many Arabic worksheets over here. You can click on any one of the worksheet and assign it directly to the Google Classroom. Similarly, English and maths and Urdu, there are a lot of worksheets already available over on the website. But still, if you want to create any other, it's good with the school monogram, you can assign, you can create your own worksheet. Okay, but first of all, let me tell you how to select a worksheet and how to assign it in the GCR. Yesterday, I tried this worksheet that was about the colors. It's okay if I'm selecting an Arabic worksheet, ma'am?
It's okay.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Absolutely.
Okay. Now this is the worksheet that I've selected for my children. I want them to be familiar with the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to click on this copy link directly. This is not the one that I want to like share directly, because that would be difficult for me to check again, and it would be difficult for the students to take a screenshot and send it to us directly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on the custom link. Custom link, there are few options over here. You can see ignore punctuation mark. Sometimes the students overlook this option, so it's better to check these options. Ignore accent. Time limit, if you want to set a time limit that the students will be able to do this worksheet in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to write down 30 minutes over here. 30, half an hour is enough. Okay, default action on click finish, send answers to the teacher. This is appropriate. We are going to receive the answers. Then student name, grade level. Which grade students are there? This is for grade 4, suppose. I'm going to enter grade 4. The levels I've already added there. I'm going to tell you I'm going to tell you how to add the grades as well. School subject, already the subject is Arabic. I'm going to write Arabic slash, since it's about colors, I'm going to add colors in front of it. It would be easier for me to differentiate. send answers to
Okay.
my mailbox. So whenever the student is going to complete the worksheet, we are going to get a notification in our email. If you don't want to get the notification, just uncheck this. You just need to fill up these two these two columns. Grading options, just leave them as it is. And then what you're supposed to do is, this is your custom link. You can either copy the link, paste it in the Google Classroom, share it in the WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, whatever, add to the Google Classroom. Okay, this is where we are going to assign, where I'm going to assign this task. Google Classroom, I'm going to click on it. This is after I click on the link, it is going to take me to the classrooms that I have on this account of mine. But I need to sign in with the other account, because obviously the Google Classroom are not here in this account of mine.
So we make an account with the school one that
No,
we
no, ma'am.
have.
It's no, no. It's not.
वहाँ पे-
No, it's not
not
necessary. I'm going to switch my account, switch to my other account, Shandra Kareem Ansari. That's it. Here it is, and here my classes are loading. 4B. Choose action, create an assignment, ask question, make announcement, create material. So this is an assignment. Click here. Title, colors. Colors exercise. Already we are familiar with this, how to assign. Okay, no due date, topic, whatever the topic is. Suppose it's an activity. Due date, okay, 31st March. You can also paste the link here directly, because we have already copied it. And now I'm going to click on the assign button or the schedule button. I hope it's clear so far how to assign it directly to the Google Classroom, right?
I think अभी तो clear ही है.
No, because this is the practice that we usually do. हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह. Okay. Okay, now let's get back to this page. You can also copy the link from here, and you can directly send it to the WhatsApp to the student. Or what you can do is, you can copy link here. You can open your Google Classroom.
والله ما خدت بالي ان انت بعتي مسج احسبك دخلتي.
Okay, I'm going to.
अगर वो शीट्स पे दोबारा से लिख रहा हो एक बात पूछनी.
जी इस पे जी मैम.
ऊपर ये जहाँ पर over here, the middle over there. No, the option is there. Check answers. In the middle over there.
जी check answers. The students will be able to check the answers by themselves. They won't be sending it to the teacher, but we need to know what their response is. That's why they are going to click send answers to the teacher.
Okay, what about that one? That can we do that? Edit the same worksheet? Can we do the edit before sending?
No, we cannot edit the same worksheet.
Can't do that one because I had tried this one. We were not able.
Yeah, in quizzes we can edit, but here we can't edit it.
We can't edit, right?
And if the creator of this worksheet have allowed us, we can download this worksheet in the PDF version. But only if we have an access to.
Correct.
Okay, so after this page, I've copied the link. Here, copy link. And now what am I going to do is open my Google Classroom. If you can't, or if you don't want to go directly to the Google Classroom, just click on your Google Classroom browser. And I'm going to select my class 4B. Classwork, as we always do. Create an assignment, and here add a link. Click here and control paste. Yeah, here you go. This is you can also do it like this. Got it, Ma'am Hanan? Is it okay?
Yes, okay, shukran حبيبتي.
Okay, now how to create classes. Okay, I think this is clear that how we are supposed to generate a custom link. Okay, now another thing that I want to show you is that is also very important.
Workbook?
No, not the workbook. My students, yes. We are going to click on my students. Okay, now these are the classes I've already created: grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Now suppose you, since you are you are new and you need to create your class so that the worksheet that you have assigned gets into the same folder. You don't need to create, or you don't need to look for each and every student that where am I supposed to put this worksheet, or which this like from which class the student belongs to. So you just need to add the grade, and the worksheet is automatically added to that particular folder. So group name, suppose I need to add grade 7 now. Grade 7, I'm going to type grade 7, and then I'm going to click add group. That's it. You can see my group is added.
It's added,
Then what you
yes.
can do is, if you want to invite the students, then also it's okay. If you don't want to invite the students and just want to continue with the worksheets, then also it's fine, no problem with that. But still, I'll tell you how to add the students. Full name, you can write her name that she is using in the Google Classroom, username and password. But this would be very lengthy, so I'm not going to like recommend this. Invite a student, you can just click on this link for grade 4, copy the link, paste it in the Google Classroom, or tell them in the WhatsApp that please follow or create their account over there. You just need to copy and share it on the WhatsApp.
Mm.
And grade 4, they'll automatically join the class in grade 4. Okay, now let me
I
take
just
you
want to
back.
ask one thing.
Ji,
Already
ma'am.
we have the classes over there, so why do we have to do all this? Already we have the classes, so we can just assign the worksheet over there. Why
Yeah,
do we
ma'am,
have
you can. It's just for your own ease. If you want to see the group result, you'll just need to click on the grade 4 group result, and you'll see all the worksheets that are there. It's not necessary.
So
If you
that
don't want
means
to do it, yeah, don't do it.
Okay.
that means Chandra, that if we don't do this,
Hmm.
so and we just share the link in Google, so we'll
That's
just be
also
getting the
perfect.
individual result of this child,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
the
yeah.
whole class's result. Okay.
Yeah, it's like that. Okay, I'll show you. Yesterday, I assigned some worksheet to my students.
Yeah, show
as
that
well.
one only.
Yeah,
Then
I'll
it
show
will be
you.
clear.
Okay, in my notification, here it is. You can see here are 2 responses that I received. Nasir Khan John, and this is another student of mine, Zirak, and Skags was me. I tried this worksheet. 5.3, 7.3, and 10. So you can see the grades are grades. Yeah, grade 5. Here it is. This is 6.
It was auto
and-
checked, right?
Yeah, it was auto check.
Auto check, right.
My students, since I haven't added any students as yet, so it's not going to show anything over here. Workbooks. Yes, workbooks, grade 4 to 6. I have created this workbook of mine. All the worksheets that I'm going to make, I can add it here in this workbook.
Chandra, how can we add work?
Yeah, I'll create a
worksheet
worksheet. I'll create a worksheet, and
Yes.
I'll tell you how to do that.
Show that one. Thanks.
Yeah, inshallah. Okay, my favorite. If you choose any worksheet, if you are searching for any worksheet and you like it, what you can do is just click on this favorite button, and it will automatically add. It will be added to your favorite link. Now these are my favorite worksheets. Okay, and what you are supposed to do is just click here. It will be written add to my favorite. Since this was my favorite worksheet, so it is mentioning remove from my favorite. Okay, so you just need to click on this heart button, and it will automatically add it to your favorite files. Okay, now the thing that I want you to learn is about making live worksheets. Okay, so first of all, obviously, like I told you earlier, that we need to create a worksheet in the Word document and then convert it into PDF file or a picture. It's up to you. You can convert it into PDF file, or you can also convert it into JPG or PNG. Both are acceptable, but now it doesn't support the Word document. Previously, live worksheet was supporting the Word file, but now it is not. So it's better to convert it into PNG, JPF, or that PDF file. Okay, now I'm going to choose the file. I'm going to select this simple tenses copy that I edited, and then I'm going to click here on the upload button. Okay, now this is the PDF version of my worksheet. I hope it is visible.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now what
Then
you're
also
supposed to
click on
do
the
is
answer in PDF file.
you
cannot
just
click-
need to upload the PDF file, and now I'm going to tell you how they are supposed to add their answers, the students. Okay, you can see this plus sign on the screen along with that red dot, right?
Mm.
Okay, So you're going to select the area where you want the students to write the response.
Is
You're
the
going
text
to
box.
yeah, you are going to create a text box
Mhm.
for the class and section, and here for the date. This is obviously open-ended. The students are going to write it by their own self. Now choose the correct option to change the sentence in simple present tense. Obviously, I need to add some options over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a text box again. Here I'm going to, since I need to give the options, I'm going to type here. Choose, I'm going to write. Okay. Choose, CHOOSE, colons, not semicolon, colons, and then space, some options. Choose the correct option, simple present tense. Okay. Sarah, go to school by bus. I'm going to add the first option, go. Then I'm going to put slash.
Then goes.
Yeah, goes. If the answer is correct, then before the answer, I have to add asterisk, star before it.
Okay.
Goes.
Star on the correct answer.
Yeah, it is the correct answer.
And
Slash
put a star.
went. Yes. Before the correct answer, we have to put star. Yes, ma'am Iman. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
3 options are enough. Okay, so here I'm going to click on the preview sign, whether it is done correctly or not. You can see the arrow over here. Here we go. So I can choose go, goes, or went now. Is it visible?
Okay.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
put the three choice, huh?
Yeah, I gave them 3 choices.
Yeah.
I'll do it again. What you're supposed to do is just again, I'm going to click here on the edit button. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to get back to the worksheet. I'm going to draw a text box. Again,
We enjoy
choose
it.
CHOOSE, colons. What was the option? We enjoyed. Okay. I'm going to add enjoyed. Sorry, space. Okay.
Enjoyed is the
Enjoyed.
correct option.
No. Slash will enjoy.
Okay.
Slash. Now I'm going to use asterisk or the star sign. And then I'm going to write enjoy. Will enjoy. Enjoy only. Okay, that's it. If you want to preview again, there you go. You can see the options: enjoyed, will enjoy, or enjoy. Got it?
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I hope it's clear. Or do I need to do it
Yes.
once more?
No, 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 no.
What is the correct option in this, Shamsa,
Enjoy.
over here?
Present, simple present tense. So enjoy.
Enjoy.
We
Enjoy.
enjoy a
Okay.
lot at the beach. Okay.
Correct, correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Now
so-
choose the correct option to change the choose the correct option to change the sentence in simple past tense. Now these are the MCQs. I need the students to select one of the correct answers. So what I'm going to do is, okay, add it. Sarah goes to school. I have to select all the options. First is goes. This one is wrong, so I'm going to write no over here. Then went. This is the correct option, so I'm going to write yes. Gone is also wrong, so I'm going to write no. Preview.
What you write before wrong answer? What you make before wrong answer?
Sorry?
Written no.
Before wrong answer, what you do? But only select.
Yeah,
No.
before no. I've written no only.
Hmm.
No, yes, no. And then obviously when the student is going to give the response, automatically it will come. And if there is any confusion or you want to recheck, you can also check from like here. Make it was a make interactive worksheet. If you get confused somewhere, even I get confused. Tutorial, video tutorial, everything is here. So if you click on tutorial, all these options will come over here. MCQ, draw text boxes on your worksheet, enter the right answer, preview your worksheet, save, share, discard, and more option, drop down, select box, multiple choice exercise. Maybe I haven't. Okay, I did not write select. Sorry, I have to go back again. I'm going to write select. So I'm going to make, if I want to go back, that was wrong. So I'm going to click here. edit, sorry, click on the edit button. Okay, all the changes that I made are vanished. They are lost because I've clicked this button so many times. Okay, I'm going to go back over here. Select
Shanda,
first.
what about the
I'm going to
descriptive
write
answer?
select. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to tell that as a select colons, and then since this answer was wrong, I'm going to write no. Then again, select. Sorry, it's the same one. Select colons, yes. And again here. Select colons, no. Now I think it's okay. Let me preview it. Yes, here it goes. Now the students can click on the correct answer and this will show that yes, this is, the green indicates that the answer is correct and the red indicates that this answer is wrong. Okay, so I'm going to get back to the worksheet. Okay, Ma'am Ruxana, you were asking if the question is like fill in the blanks, or then they need, yeah, descriptive answers. Fill in the blanks using the verbs in the bracket to in simple future tense. What you need to do is just create a text box. That's it. And you need to write the correct answer. Sarah go to school by bus. Simple future tense, Sarah will go. I just need to put the correct answer. That's it. Again, in the next one, we enjoy a lot at the beach. We will enjoy. This is the correct answer. I dash up around 5 a.m. I will wake up around 5 a.m. She work very hard. She will work very hard. Okay. Click on the preview button. Yeah. The students won't be, जी ma'am.
What if the child, जैसे अब ये we shall भी हो सकता है और I shall भी हो
I
सकता
shall,
है.
we shall.
Do
Yes,
we
ma'am.
give them options?
Yeah, we can give
Do
them the
we
option.
give?
Then we have to give the options.
Yeah, you can just click, you can just add slash and then another answer. Okay.
Both will be correct.
Yeah, both will be correct. Okay, so Sarah goes to school, we enjoy, I, she, and the students will be typing their answers in that. Like this. Okay, and how did I receive the response, or where can I? Okay, first let me save this worksheet again. I'll edit it again. I'm going to click here on this tick button. If it is correct, I'm going to click here on the tick button. If it is not correct, then I'm going to click on the cross button. Okay, let me click here on the tick button. Now, there are again few options that I can see. Yes, I want to share my worksheet with the other teachers. It will be uploaded on the website. And no, I want to keep it private. It will be private to you. You can save up to 30 private worksheets in your account. Currently, you have 0 private. So since the worksheet that I made yesterday, I uploaded here on the website. So I want to keep this worksheet private because it is not complete so far. Simple tenses and save. Open worksheets. Here it is. If I want to continue with the editing, I'm going to click here on the edit button, add to Microsoft Team, add to Google Classroom, add to my workbook. Okay, now I'm going to click here, add to my workbook, and I'm going to choose the workbook that I want to select here. Add worksheet to selected workbook or keep it hidden. So here it goes in my workbook. Now this is my workbook. You can see 2 worksheets there. This was added yesterday, and the second one is that I just created now. I'm going to click on the edit button. And I can continue with editing the same file again. Here it is. See, the same options are there: added, preview, done, or delete. Everything is there. So you can continue with editing again whenever you are free or whenever you want to do. Is it clear so far?
Okay, if they want
Yes.
to write
Seems-
the answer, they have to select the text box, or they can just write it over like that.
Text box is all will be already there, and they just need to type their answers over there,
Okay, they have to okay.
like this. That's it. Okay.
And
There
they
was-
will get the answers after submitting, या उसी
Yeah.
वक्त होता जाएगा correct?
Yeah. That's another thing that. Thank you, ma'am, for reminding
Yes.
me. मैं वही सोच रही थी that what is left. Okay. Now suppose my worksheets. Let me open my worksheets. Yeah, simple time. This is the worksheet that I assigned yesterday. I want to assign this again. Okay, I have to click again on the custom link. This is very important. Clicking on custom link will directly take your the students won't be asked to enter your email address. If you forget to click on the custom link and you just if you just share the link directly, this link directly with the students, what will happen is that you will get all the worksheets and all the notifications in your email, and the students need to add your email ID individually. They have to type it. While if you type, if you click on the custom link, what will happen is you just need to write the grade or level, grade 4 or 5. School subject is English, colons or slash tenses, simple tenses. Send answers to my mailbox. That's it. Ignore accent, ignore punctuation mark. That's it. If you want to ignore it. And that's
Send
it. And
answers to my mailbox. What does that mean? Maybe they are doing the worksheet, so the answer would be there, or they will be sent to the mailbox. What is it? I don't understand that.
when they will finish the worksheet, the responses will be added to your mailbox, and the notifications here as well. You'll receive the notification
Like in Google
your,
Form, the assignment is there, and we can just do select it and see it. So these answer will be mailed to our mailbox. That is it.
yeah. No, in your Gmail ID or your Hotmail ID, you'll just get a notification that one of your students have attempted the worksheet, and you can just go click on the link and go directly to the worksheet and see from there. Otherwise, you can click here on your name. You can click on the notification or my students, and then you can see whatever your students have done. That's it.
Oh.
Notification you can
That
see.
means that these marks will not come in their GCR. वहाँ पर
Yes,
नहीं
I
आएंगे.
No,
agree.
no, no.
As
उधर
a
नहीं
list.
आएंगे. Yeah, no.
उधर
उधर
नहीं
नहीं आएंगे. There you have to add your,
Okay.
by your own self.
You have to
तो वो
add it.
हमें पर manually बनानी है list. We have to add the list there, right?
Yes, but that
If
would be
we
easy.
want to
आपको,
use-
हाँ जी, आपके marks आपके सामने होंगे. You can just add the marks over there. Go to the GCR, add the marks. That's it.
ये तो ऑब्जेक्टिव के हो गए ना, ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए जैसे
And like we are assigning the worksheet to so many sections, so there will be so many notification for the answers and all. So
Ma'am,
wasn't
you
the
can,
Google
yeah, आप
Form
उसको off
more
कर दें.
easier than that the answers are only there and we just have to click that and
Yes,
get the
you can.
answers. Here we are.
You can click on, you can uncheck this bar, uncheck this box, and answers to my
Okay.
mailbox. That's it.
Okay, when we uncheck this, and then what happens?
You won't get
Will
the
not get
email
the-
notification.
Okay.
But
But
फिर
yeah.
हम check कैसे करेंगे? फिर वो हमें
From here, from
उसी
your,
को-
yeah, from the website.
Yeah, that would be
From the
more
web,
easier.
yeah,
Our
notification, my
mailbox will
account.
also
Yeah.
would stick to.
Yeah, my students, since I haven't added anyone, so that's why they won't appear.
So
over here.
here we can check it, huh? In my students.
Yeah, here you can check. In my students,
Okay.
if they are linked, otherwise in my notifications.
Yeah, I
There,
think that would be more easier.
Yeah, notifications. Latest worksheets. That's it. Workbook, my mailbox. See the answers sent by your students to your email, organized by name, grade, or student. Yes, you can organize your worksheets over here as well. The student name of this, all the responses that you have received over here, the name of the students will appear here. I'm going to add them. Okay, suppose Nasir Khan Jan, I'm going to add her response to grade 5. Next time, whenever I receive Nasir Khan Jan's response, her work will automatically add it to this grade. Subject is English.
Oh.
From date to date, no need to do this. That's it. And then you can click my worksheet. That's it. That's it. If you want to ask anything, just go to the website, check it by your own self. If you want to ask me anything, I'm here. Or you want to try
It's
it later.
just only for objective type. We cannot have a paragraph writing here if we want to do that. We cannot do that, right?
No, ma'am, you can
But
also do that.
not-
You can also do that for the descriptive answers.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to show you in the
But it
tutorial.
will not be auto check, right?
That won't be the auto check one. Yes.
Huh.
Here are
Okay,
the
Obviously, because
speaking, and there are numerous options. You can see drop down, select multiple choice, checkbox, join with
Okay.
arrow, drag and drop, listening exercises, word search puzzles,
Word
speaking
search,
exercise, open answer question. This is, ma'am, what you were asking. What can we do to
Yeah.
stop global warming? Okay. Here it is.
Okay. So everybody gives their own answer there.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just need to select the whole box and the students are going to type it. That's it.
All right.
And then you can
Okay.
check individually. But you won't be able to, but you have to uncheck that option, automatic checking, custom. You have to customize the link for that.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me show you how to do that. My worksheet.
And can you try one of the, okay. ये
Yes.
जो हमारी
we just
puzzles वाली है वो भी हम कर सकते हैं कि
जी
नहीं?
जी puzzles भी कर सकते हैं.
आज हम खुद कर लेंगे चलो अब आपके लिए काफी है.
Okay, suppose
We'll
this
try
was
it.
the open-ended question. What you are supposed to do is click again on the custom link. Don't show grades. Then you have to click here, don't show grades, so that the students don't lose any marks and they don't get disappointed that I've done it correctly and teacher has given me 0.
हाँ सही बात है सही.
That's it. Show answers without decimal, show answers with decimal. That's it. Okay. That's it for today, girls. Just try it out at your home. Make a worksheet,
Yeah.
share the link with me. I'll try to solve your worksheet and then we can discuss it tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Inshallah.
Can send
Inshallah.
for us the video and we will try. We will see if you know can do alone.
No, Iman,
Sure,
I'm not
thank you.
going to share the video. No, Iman.
I will share the video. I will send you this face.
Okay. Okay,
No.
inshallah, I'll share the video. Hope this,
Okay.
hopefully, I think this was useful and you people are going to
Yes,
use
yes,
this.
very useful.
Thank you,
Inshallah,
Shadi.
yeah.
Jazakallah khair.
Yes,
Jazakallah
inshallah.
khair.
Acha,
Thank you so
just
much,
1 minute.
Shana.
Tomorrow is going to be the repeat of the same, or are you going to have a part 2? Repeat of the same, right?
You can also
think it
discuss
is
what
part
you've
two.
done. If there are any, if there are any queries, if you want to ask me anything, we can just do the discussions.
Then we can discuss about that
Yeah.
one too, right? Okay, thank you so much, Shanta.
You're most
Thank
welcome.
you
Okay,
for your
thank you,
time.
Shandre.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shandre.
Allah Hafiz.
God bless you.
Okay.
Thank
Allah Hafiz Shanji.
Allah
Thank you
Hafiz.
so
Allah
much.
Hafiz. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
कोई बात नहीं
Thank you,
Shanji.
Shanza.
Thank you for your time. You made
Effort.
us understand.
हाँ.
Thank you. Bless you.
Most
Bless you.
welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz
Allah
everyone.
Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz,
Hafiz.
everyone.
Hafiz,
Sabko
everyone.
sabko salam.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Master.
Allah
Hafiz. Allah
Hafiz.
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 Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Shanza.
You're welcome, Iman. Just try it out and you can ask me tomorrow if you want to ask anything, if there is any problem. Okay?
Okay, inshallah.
Inshallah, inshallah.
So,
Thanks, ma'am and Nan. Kamsa diram. Kamseen diram.
أيوة 50 درهم.
Kamseen diram.
But you want alone.
I want
Can-
alone. Yes.
Alone for Arabic teacher only.
Okay. When do you
Please,
want
Shan.
me to have that?
I give 2 dirham, not 5 dirham.
Okay, no problem. I'll share the video as well. You try it out. If there is any problem,
شيرين
You can-
معنا؟
we can do it again.
Please, Ma'am Shanti, okay?
Inshallah.